For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you considering purchasing the Vitamix E310 Explorian on Amazon but unsure if it's worth the investment? But here's what surprised me: this blender is not just a high-end appliance, it's a game changer for home cooks and professional chefs alike. There seems to be an unwritten rule that blenders are meant for basic tasks only, but the Vitamix E310 Explorian defies expectations with its incredible power and versatility. /N. As I delved into the world of high-performance blenders, I discovered a plethora of reviews claiming the Vitamix E310 Explorian is worth every penny. Some even say it's an essential tool for any kitchen. But what sets this blender apart from its competitors? Therefore, let's dive into the specifics and explore why this might be the perfect addition to your cooking arsenal. /N. Revealing the truth about the Vitamix E310 Explorian starts with understanding its unique features. With a 2.0 peak horsepower motor, this blender can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're blending hot soups or crushing ice, this machine is designed to perform flawlessly. But what's truly impressive is its ability to achieve silky smooth textures in a matter of seconds. /N. One of the key benefits of the Vitamix E310 Explorian lies in its ease of use. The intuitive design and ergonomic handle make it simple to operate, even for those new to high-performance blenders. Therefore, you can start blending like a pro without breaking a sweat. But don't just take my word for it, let's explore some real-life examples. /N. Imagine being able to whip up a batch of homemade hummus in mere seconds or effortlessly puree a delicious soup. With the Vitamix E310 Explorian, these tasks become effortless. Therefore, you can focus on experimenting with new recipes and pushing your culinary skills to the next level. Some users have even reported making professional-grade smoothies using this blender. The 64 oz container allows for generous servings, and the tamper ensures that every last bit is thoroughly mixed. /N. But what about cleaning? We've all been there, wrestling with stubborn food residue that seems to cling to our blenders for dear life. Therefore, it's reassuring to know that the Vitamix E310 Explorian is designed with ease of maintenance in mind. The BPA-free container and dishwasher-safe parts make quick work of even the toughest cleaning tasks. /N. As I continued researching this product, I stumbled upon an interesting fact: many professional chefs swear by their Vitamix blenders for their consistent results. Therefore, it's clear that the E310 Explorian is not just a home appliance but a serious tool for culinary professionals. But what does all of this mean for you? Will the Vitamix E310 Explorian live up to its lofty expectations in your kitchen? Reheating, rethinking, and refining my approach, I found that one of the most significant benefits lies in its durability. With a 5-year warranty on parts and labor, you can rest assured this blender will stand the test of time. In fact, many users have reported using their Vitamix E310 Explorians for years without issue, a testament to the company's commitment to quality. Therefore, it's clear that this blender is built to last. /N. One user even reported saving money in the long run by making homemade baby food and reducing her reliance on store-bought options. The Vitamix E310 Explorian makes quick work of tough ingredients like frozen fruit and vegetables, allowing for a wide range of healthy meals. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: cost. With a price tag that's certainly eye-catching, some might wonder if the Vitamix E310 Explorian is worth the investment. But here's what I've discovered: this blender pays for itself over time through reduced waste and increased efficiency. Therefore, it's an investment that's sure to save you money in the long run. In conclusion, after digging deep into the world of high-performance blenders, I'm convinced that the Vitamix E310 Explorian is a game-changer for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Its powerful motor, versatility, ease of use, and durability make it an essential tool for any kitchen. /N. For those who are serious about taking their cooking to the next level or simply want a reliable blender that will stand the test of time, I highly recommend considering the Vitamix E310 Explorian on Amazon. But remember, this is just one reviewer's opinion. Therefore, don't take my word for it. Explore the reviews and see what real users have to say about their experiences with this blender. /N. For the best price, click the link in the description.